Today we're going to cover another problem of interest rate parity. I'm going to give you the link to the other video that also deals with a similar problem for interest rate parity. So we're going to solve this problem for 1 year interest rate return when investing into either the Japanese yen or the USD. Okay, so when dealing with the Japanese yen, always remember to invest in 100 million. You're going to use 100 million to invest. It's not like the other different interest rate parities, you're investing a million. It's always best to invest with 100 million. Okay, so let's get started. Let's find our arbitrational opportunity. So let's do IH equals forward over spot, parentheses, I plus 1 plus IF. Okay? So we're going to start off with the Japanese yen. So we need to convert these interest rates to decimals. So when converting the interest rate to decimals, this Japanese yen is going to be 0.004, and then the US rate is going to be 0.05. So now that we have converted our interest rates, we're going to move along with our problem. So what we're going to do is 1 plus 0.004 equals forward over spot. So 112 over 117, parentheses, then take the US rate of return in decimal form. Okay, then when you solve this, you should get 1.004, 1.099, sorry, 0099, 1453. Clearly, this isn't equal to each other. So you would just go based on the first three decimals. Clearly, it's better to invest here in the US since the decimal is bigger. So we're going to go ahead and invest in the US since you get the most for your money, and then we're going to borrow from Japan since the return on our investment will only be 1.004 versus America 1.009. Okay? So we're going to borrow the 100 million. So we're borrowing 100 million here. And then we need to convert that those 100 million yens into dollars. So since we're converting into dollars, we're going to divide it by 117. And that is going to give us 854, 785. Okay? Then we're going to find the return on our investment. Okay? And we're going to do that by taking 854 times 1.055, which is just our American interest rate plus 1. So then the 854,785 times 1.055 is going to equal 901,709.85. Okay, then we're going to sell it. Then we're going to sell our US dollars at the forward rate so that we can go ahead and eliminate any exchange risk, right? So let's just picture it 1 year later, right? So 1 year later, we're selling our $901,000 at the forward rate. So we would then multiply $901,000 by 12, and then that will give us 100,991,453. Okay? And then, so this is what we make off of investing our money, correct? So this is back at our yen here. Okay? So then we're going to do 100 million times our Japanese interest rate plus 1, so 1.0040, and then that's going to equal 100, 400. Okay, and then we're going to subtract that here. And then that's going to equal 591,453 yen. Okay, and then this is our total answer for this problem. So there's 3 steps that happen here. First, we calculated our opportunity of arbitrage. So that's 1. Then we calculated our spot, which is right here, 2. So this is spot. So this is spot. And then we calculated our forward rate here. We calculated cost of investment here. Then this was our total profit from investing, and then this is what it costs us to invest, and this is our total profit of the investment. Okay, so the answer here, I know it's a little illegible. Let me write this again. So it's 591 453 is the answer. And remember, this is in yen, not in dollars, because we borrowed in yen. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask below. I will try my best to respond to you within the same day or maybe the next day. Thank you for watching.